Going on, guys? Sean, Big Sky Mafia here. Final steps into Project Snow Bunny right now. We got the bed all painted, so all ready to go right there. And we're heading to get the old one off right here. So, final steps, so stay tuned.
Foda, né?
What's going on, guys? Finally got the bed on. It's looking really good. We're getting all the rocks picked out right now because we don't want the rocks to chip the paint because it's going to be soft for a couple days, but it's on. Shout out to our buddy Dylan and our co-founder Zach right there for helping us get this on this late. It's a little late, but we finally got her on and it looks fantastic. Can't wait to show you guys.